Hello again. Today we're going to multiply with two-digit numbers, and we're going to use the distributive property and use expanded form. The first thing you need to do, here's our sample problem, 27 times 15. The first thing is to expand the 27 to 20 plus 7, and then expand the 15 to 10 plus 5. Next, we're going to multiply our first terms. 20 times 10 is 200. Next, we're going to multiply our outside terms, 20 plus 5. And 20 times 5 is 100. Next, we're going to multiply our inside terms, 7 times 10, for a total of 70. And last, we're going to multiply 7 times 5 for a value of 35. All that's left to do is stack up our partial products and add. When we add all of our partial products, 200 plus 100 plus 70 plus 35, we have a total of 405. Let's do another problem. Here is our second example. I'm going to give you some step-by-step instructions. Our problem is 42 times 23. First off, you want to expand both numbers. So you have 40 plus 2 times the quantity 20 plus 3. Now we're ready to do our multiplying. Step 2, we're going to multiply those first terms. The first term is 40, and the first term here is 20. So 40 times 20 is 800. We know 4 times 2 is 8. 10 times 10 is 100, so 8 times 100 is 800. The next step is to multiply our outside terms. That's the 40 and the 3. We know 3 times 4 is 12, and that's really 40, so we have to add a 0, so that makes 120. Notice how we have letter F for first, letter O for outside terms. The outside terms. Next, we're going to multiply the inside terms. The inside terms are 2 and 20 for a total of 40. Notice the I for inside. And last, we're going to multiply the last terms. That's the 2 times the 3 in blue. Really, we should make that blue so it matches. Okay, so we have partial products of 800, 120, 40, and 6. The final thing we have to do is to add all of these partial products. So 800 plus 120 plus 6 plus 40 plus 6 is 964. I want to show you something really neat to me. Do you remember we multiplied the first terms, the outside terms, the inside terms, and the last terms? What word does that spell? That spells FOIL. F for first, O for outside, I for inside, L for last. FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. Hope that helps you remember how to multiply multi-digit numbers using the distributive property.